Please take a moment to get ready for Yoga Nidra. Lie down on the floor or the bed and adopt the pose called Shavasana. Traditionally, this is a position where your body is straight from head to toe, legs slightly apart, and arms a little away from the body, the palms turned up. However, if that doesn't feel comfortable, feel free to shift until you're in a position that does feel more comfortable. Take a moment to adjust anything needed, your body, your clothes, blanket, pillow, other props, until you feel completely comfortable. During Yoga Nidra, there is little to no physical movement. But if you do need to move, to get comfortable again, feel free. If it feels safe in your body, close your eyes. And keep them closed until you're instructed to open them. But if anything that is said during this session is triggering, you're welcome to reopen your eyes and come to a seat to bring yourself back into this space. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any cares and worries of your day so far. In the practice that follows, you'll develop a deep feeling of relaxation in your body. It's not necessary to make any movements or to deliberately relax your muscles. Simply develop and observe the feeling of relaxation. And this feeling is similar to the one that you have just before falling asleep, when your relaxation becomes deep. Sleep often comes, but during this session, try to keep yourself completely awake. So make a resolution to yourself now that I will not sleep, and that I will remain awake throughout the practice. If you do find yourself getting sleepy, you might make a fist to keep yourself present. During the practice of Yoga Nidra, you are functioning on the levels of hearing and awareness. And the only important thing is to follow my voice. There is no need to intellectualize or analyze my instructions, as this could disturb your mental relaxation. Rather, simply follow my voice with total attention and feelings. And if thoughts come to disturb you from time to time, no need to worry. Just come back to my voice and continue the practice. Now bring about a feeling of inner relaxation to your whole body. Focus on your body and notice the complete stillness in your body right now. Develop an awareness of your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And mentally repeat this mantra on your own. Om. Practicing complete stillness and complete awareness, the whole body. Again. Om. Continue your awareness of the whole body. Awareness of your whole body. The whole body. Now become aware of the fact that you're going to practice Yoga Nidra, and repeat mentally to yourself, I am aware. I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. Repeat this to yourself once more. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins now. At this moment, you should make your resolve, or sankalpa. This resolve is quite simple, and do your best to discover one naturally. It's often the first thing that comes to mind. This sankalpa or resolve should be a short, positive statement in simple, present tense language. Stated 3 times with awareness, feeling, and emphasis. So please state your sankalpa 3 times now to yourself. Knowing that the resolve that you make during Yoga Nidra is bound to come true in your life. We will now begin the rotation of consciousness, a rotation of awareness by taking a journey through the different parts of your body. As quickly as possible, the awareness is to bring your attention from part to part. As it is named, repeat the body part in your mind and simultaneously become aware of that part in your body. Keep yourself alert during this time, but no need to concentrate too intensely. Begin by becoming aware of the right hand. Right hand thumb, second finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, palm of the hand Become aware of your palm, back of the hand, the wrist, the lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the foot, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Become aware of the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, palm of your hand, back of the hand, your wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, waist, left hip, left thigh, your kneecap, the calf muscle, ankle, heel, the sole of the left foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. And now to the back. Become aware of your right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, right buttock, left buttock, spine, the whole back together. Now go to the top of your head, the crown of the head, the forehead, both sides of the head, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, your nose, the tip of your nose, upper lip, lower lip, the chin, the throat, the right chest, the left chest, the middle of the chest, your navel, your abdomen, bring your awareness to the whole of your right leg, the whole of your left leg, both legs together, the whole of the right arm, the whole of the left arm, both arms together, the whole of the back, buttocks, spine, shoulder blades, the whole of the front, abdomen, chest, the whole of the back and the front together, the whole of the head, the whole body together. Observe the whole body together. The whole body together. Remind yourself that you're practicing Yoga Nidra and that you have total awareness and are not sleeping. Your whole body is lying down on the floor, the bed. Become aware of your body lying down. Your body is lying down and relaxed. See your body lying perfectly still in this room. Visualize this image in your mind. Become aware of your breath. Feel the flow of your breath in and out of your lungs. Do not try to change the rhythm. The breathing is natural, automatic. You're not doing it, and there is no effort. Maintain awareness of your breath. Continue complete awareness of breath. Now concentrate your awareness on the movement of your navel area. Concentrating on your navel movements. Your navel is rising and falling slightly with every breath. With each and every breath, it expands, contracts. Focus on this movement in synchronization with your breath. Go on practicing, but be sure that you are aware. Now begin counting your breaths backwards from 27 to 1 like this. 27, navel rising. 27, navel falling. 26, navel rising. 26, navel falling. 25, navel rising. 25, navel falling, and so on. Repeat the words and the numbers mentally to yourself as you count your breaths. Try not to make a mistake, but if you do, simply go back to 27 and start again. With total awareness that you are counting, continue counting down from 27 to 1. Continue with the practice. No mistakes. Now stop your counting of the navel breath and shift your attention to your chest. Please shift to the chest. Your chest is rising and falling slightly with each and every breath. Become aware of this. Continue concentrating on the movement of your chest and start counting backwards from 27 to 1 in the same way as before. 27, chest rising. 27, chest falling. 26, chest rising. 26, chest falling. 25, chest rising. 25, chest falling, and so on. Again, repeat the words and numbers mentally to yourself as you count. No mistakes. If you make a mistake, return to the start again, to 27. Continue counting 27 to 1. Keep on with the practice, counting and awareness and counting. Cease your counting of the chest breaths and move your awareness to your throat. Please move to the throat. Become awareness of the breath moving in and out of your throat. Concentrate on the movement of the breath in your throat and start counting backwards from 27 to 1 in the same way as before. Complete awareness of counting the breath. No sleeping, please. Just total awareness of your breath and that you are counting. Continue with the practice. Continue counting your breaths in your throat. Stop counting. Now go to the nostrils. Become aware of the breath moving in and out of your nostrils. Concentrate on the movement of the breath in and out of the nostrils. And start counting as before. You know it very well by now. 27, breathing in. 27, breathing out. And so on. Complete awareness, please. Continue counting. No mistakes. And keep on with the practice. Continue. Now stop your counting. Leave your breathing. We now come to visualization. A number of different things will be named, and you should try to develop a vision of them on all levels of feeling, awareness, emotion, imagination, as best you can. A burning candle, burning candle, burning candle. Endless desert, an endless desert, endless desert. Egyptian pyramid, Egyptian pyramid, Egyptian pyramid. Torrential rain, torrential rain, torrential rain. Snow-capped mountains, snow-capped mountains, snow-capped mountains. A Greek temple at sunrise, Greek temple at sunrise, Greek temple at sunrise. Birds flying across the sunset, birds flying across a sunset, birds flying across the sunset. Red clouds drifting, red clouds drifting, red clouds drifting. A cross above a church, a cross above a church, a cross above a church. Stars at night, stars at night, stars at night. Full moon, full moon, full moon. Smiling Buddha, smiling Buddha, a smiling Buddha. Wind from the sea, wind from the sea, wind from the sea. Waves breaking on a deserted beach, waves breaking on a deserted beach. The restless sea, eternal restless sea, eternal restless sea. Waves breaking on a deserted beach. Now is the time to repeat your sankalpa or resolve. Please repeat the same resolve that you made at the beginning of practice. Do not change it. Repeat this resolve 3 times with full awareness and feeling. Relax all of your efforts. Draw your mind outside and become aware of your breathing. Becoming aware of your natural breath. Awareness of the whole body and awareness of breathing. Your body is lying down, totally relaxed. You are breathing quietly, slowly. Develop awareness of your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, and say to yourself, Om. And repeat the mantra, Om, mentally to yourself, twice more. Become aware of the floor, the bed beneath you, and the position of your body lying down. Visualize the room around you and become aware of your surroundings. Lie quietly for some time. Keep your eyes closed. And only when you're ready, you may start moving your body, stretching. Please take your time and don't hurry it. When you are sure that you're fully awake, you may sit up slowly and open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Namaste.